Up for sale, 1970 Ford Mustang Mach 1. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 70 Mustang Mach 1, finished in blue with white interior, 351, 4-speed, power steering, power front disc brakes, shaker hood, sport slats, and just a beautiful, beautiful job in the restoration. Of course, you know, go around it, point out anything I do see, fire it up, drive it, and get in for the driving. So we'll start here in the front as always. And I'm just going to level with you. There's not a lot to point out on this car. The quality and the condition, wow. The body, wow. The finish and the fitment, wow. The interior, yeah, you know where I'm going with this. Especially being white, it looks brand new. All the bright work, I'm just going to take my time. Just look here at the front bumper. It's like new. You know, maybe a toweling mark on there if I want to be picky, but wow, there's not a pit, there's not a mark. Same goes for the back bumper. You know, all the trim, the grille, the bezels, all new and replaced. New. Trim around the windows, new. Wiper arms, new. Wheel well moldings, new. Lower rocker panels, emblems, sport slats. These, which you almost never see replaced for some reason. Replaced, so they did the right job. Spoiler in the back. I can't say the glass has been replaced, but the glass is mint. There's no cracks. There's no stone chips. So let me slow down real quick, show you the hood. I know I kind of got it ajar a little bit just to make it. I hate fooling around with these stupid things. New stripes. The shaker hood is sick. I've never had a Mustang with a shaker hood. Just quickly, I'll show you this and then we'll go into the engine bay. I would drive this anywhere because it's proven and reliable, and I would take it to a show because it's damn gorgeous. Pardon my French. Wait till you see this. I mean, really. The buck tag is in place, which is really cool to see. You know, if it's a California car, the buck tag is actually down in here. Fun fact. Nice chrome valve covers, alternator, aluminum radiator. You got like that kind of like polished looking power steering pump. Same for the master cylinder brake booster for the power front disc brakes. This guy, aluminum intake. It's got a Holley carburetor on there, which you can't see from the shaker hood. I'll have a picture, you know, that'll be on the ad. You got your expensive terminals, not that that's a big deal, just cool to see. Your auto light cap. Original markings on the fenders. And from what I can see, looking at the quarters, those are original too. It's a solid car to begin with. All this in here, really well done. Nicely finished. You can see the polished water pump, you know, the hoses, stuff like that, even in the pulley down there. Just nice attention to detail, nice finish. And then the paint quality on the hood. Beautiful. There's a stamping here. Okay, interesting. That's good to know. I ordered the Marty report. I do not have it yet. I love that. I love that attention to detail. So let me just fire it up real quick after I have a quick sip of coffee. Look at the interior. The blue with the white with the black carpet. Wow. Really nice combination. So let me stick the key in real quick. There's not one thing that I could nitpick in the interior as well. All the wood grain looks brand new. The dash pad, it's not a cap, new. Your steering wheel's great. The console, the wood grain here, nice tasteful gauges. It's got the correct carpet, which is brand new, and brand new Mach 1 floor mats. Seats front and rear were redone. The package tray was redone. Headliner was redone. Make sure I'm in neutral. Just She drives awesome. We drove it about 40 miles. Not even a test drive. It was just, you know, just bring it home. We knew it. And you can see as you go around it that this is the car. Look, even the finish in there on all the doors. So let me go back. We'll start on the fender, work our way down. Even these are like just redone, the way the chrome looks. Even in here, look around your mirror. Or the finish in here. Or the finish in here. These are like new. I like the attention to detail in here. New weather stripping all around. And then you see a new door panel. I already mentioned the front rear seats, which are super clean. The carpet with the floor mats. Console, there's your 4-speed. It was originally an automatic. They put a 4-speed top loader in there, but the engine is numbers matching. Give me a second, this is my customer calling. I'm gonna pause it. Okay, back at it. Headliner. Even like when you look here, this piping is all new. This is all nicely finished. Now let me put the seat forward here. You look at the seat backs, that's how you can tell. Oftentimes they skimp out on the back of the seats. Working dome light, the sail panel, super nice. Those door panels in the back look awesome. Then you got the back seat, which looks like new. Nice package tray. So let's keep going here. I got the key. We'll wrap this section up quickly. Hop in the trunk. And when you look down here, it's the same finish all the way down, and I love seeing that. You know, new bezel here, new light. One of the things I always look for on these cars is that finish down some of these areas. This is like laser straight. And then the body is super straight as well. Look close at it. If my camera's able to pick that up, my eyes are sweating. But again, you know, new. I would say it just looks new. Even the tail panel, the finish there. Mint. Look how nice this is. You can see the blue in there, and then you see what definitely looks like original quarters. I'd show you more of the trunk pan, but they kind of got this carpet mat pretty fastened down. I mean, let me see if I can move it. They got this, then they got the sound deadener just to keep it all flat. But I know it's nice. I mean, I can always tear it out if somebody really wanted to. Look, you can see like an original stamping there. See how the wiring is. Oh, nice and tidy in here. this lines up. Look down here. Is this a mark? Nope, that came off. There, I haven't found a chip yet. Nice detail here, weather stripping the tag. Will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video if you want to go ahead and check it out. 70 Mustang Mach 1, blue with white interior, 351 4-speed, shaker hood, sports slats, power steering, power front disc brakes. So we are just about to finish this fender and then fire it up once again, drive it, and then get in and drive it. Thank you. Sometimes we forget. Reverse lights work. I like what they did. So when it slows down, it'll pop, 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 pop.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I like that. Like Dad's BMW, pop, 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 pop.
Yeah, man's Camaro used to do that too.
Yeah. Why don't you go down the road there and then we'll overlap? Yeah. We can get on it a little bit more. Just in case there's cars. me of that gold one a lot.
It does, man. It
But
does.
the gold one was more performance-based, I would say. But this
Yeah.
condition just well exceeds that one. The gold, it was that the gold California car was original paint. Someone's calling me. Randy.
Man,
No, she's nice.
right or straight.
Oh, we'll just take it back. Yeah, we're good.
You can cruise this forever, man, and just
Yeah.
keep a smile on your face, you know?
Oh, I know. I mean, like, I didn't see a chip on the outside. I'm just so impressed with the car.